Welcome back, everybody. Still here in Montana on vacation, and I've got a good one for you tonight. This is going to be a double Wagyu smash burger with crispy fried potatoes.
Let's give it a try.
Blackstone 28-inch adventure ready griddle. I'm actually turned down low because we're going to start out with potatoes. And as I always do, a light coating of oil on the griddle to get things started. And you know the drill. I'm using my bare hands, but please be careful. You might want to consider using heat-resistant gloves or a pair of tongs. I have some delicious organic Idaho potatoes. These taste so good. Thinly sliced. We're gonna put those down in the oil. And I have some Snake River Farms Wagyu beef from neighboring Idaho. I'm breaking ground a lot lately. Never actually used Wagyu before. So a couple weeks ago I did lamb for the first time, and tonight we got the Wagyu. I'm eyeballing these up into little meatballs that are probably gonna be about 2 ounces, maybe 2.5 ounces per meatball. Meanwhile, I'm gonna splash a little bit of avocado oil on my potatoes. Gonna hit those up with some Dano's Original low salt seasoning. And I'm gonna flip the potatoes a little bit early. I don't wanna get these burned. We can flip these a few times as we go. And we're just gonna let the avocado oil and that delicious seasoning cook into the potatoes. You can see they're starting to develop some pretty good color. Oh yeah, that one's a winner there. I'm gonna come down here, turn the right burner off, let those potatoes continue to cook, and we're gonna crank this left one up to high. Those potatoes will still cook, but they won't be getting direct heat. The whole griddle top's gonna be hot, and now it's time to sear up those smash burgers. I still have plenty of oil left on the griddle top. I'm gonna put those Wagyu patties down, a little bit of oil on my spatula, and we're gonna press them down and get us a good sear on those patties. I always like to go local when I can. Alpine Touch, it's the Montana spice. I've used this a bunch of times, but they have a new seasoning out that I just picked up here. The Wheat Montana brioche buns making another appearance. I put some mayo on them in the house. Gonna get a quick toast on those buns, and I'm gonna keep flipping those potatoes, just making sure we maintain that good color. And in for a quick patty flip. Oh yeah, check it out. That is a sear extraordinaire. Let's check out the buns. Oh yeah, toasted to perfection. Pepper jack cheese. I have a smaller patty today because I have small hamburger buns. So we're just gonna tailor and fold that cheese to where it perfectly matches my Wagyu patty. Gonna move the patties together, use a little bit of water and that Blackstone Adventure Ready basting cover to quickly melt the cheese. And in a quick 30 to 40 seconds, I thought today we'd go with this beautiful piece of butter lettuce. I think it's probably also the first time I've ever used butter lettuce in a video. I've got these big old red onion slices. I'm gonna put them up here in the corner. I just wanna take a little bit of the edge off these onions. We're gonna stack these patties. Come back over here to my onions, give them a quick flip. That's all I want. I want them to be crunchy like a raw onion, but yet slightly cooked. Gonna go in there and grab those fried potatoes. A couple weeks ago, we did a huckleberry mayo in a video. Today, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I found a local cherry barbecue sauce. Of course, the Flathead Lake right here, famous for flathead cherries. And down with those incredible crowns. Take a look at that. telling you what, these Wheat Montana brioche buns, you see that cherry barbecue sauce just dripping off? You know the Wagyu is gonna be delicious. I'm probably gonna have some haters out there saying, why'd you put any sauce on there? Because I wanted to. Here we go. Let's give it a try. Crunch from the toast on the brioche, but it's soft on the inside. It's buttery, it's brioche. The Wagyu, out of this world. I've said this before on a couple of videos years ago. It tastes like a high-end burger. You know, you're traveling, you're somewhere on vacation, you go into a pub, you get some burger that costs you 20 bucks, and you're like, wow, that was the best burger. It's along those lines. So the Wagyu, incredible. Let's go in there and try a potato. I'm fresh out of fork, so we're gonna do this Montana style. Gonna grab one of those crispy fried potatoes. Complete contrast, right? That Dano's seasoning, more of a colonial taste on those. Completely different flavor profile on the potatoes with the Dano's. It's so good. And I'm gonna say, take another look at that. Come on, delicious burgers. I'm pumping them out this summer. I've got to cook up a bunch more of these and get in the house and feed the family. Sure do appreciate you watching all my videos. Please leave me a thumbs up or comment down below. Check out all the shows on the Blackstone Network. And don't forget to head out to blackstoneproducts.com. It is your source for everything Blackstone. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the double Wagyu smash burger with crispy fried